Did you know that a small mysterious gland in your brain could be the key to your spiritual awakening and overall health? This tiny gland, known as the pineal gland, plays a crucial role in regulating various functions in your body, from your sleep cycle to your mood. It's even been linked to your spiritual awareness and higher consciousness, but there's a problem. This essential gland can become calcified, hindering its function and impacting your well-being. In this urgent guide, we'll explore how you can prevent pineal gland calcification and maintain its health for optimal physical and spiritual benefits. The pineal gland is a small pea-sized gland located in the center of the brain. Despite its size, it has a significant impact on your overall health. Often referred to as the third eye in spiritual traditions, the pineal gland is believed to be the gateway to higher consciousness and spiritual enlightenment. Scientifically, it is responsible for producing melatonin, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. This hormone is crucial for maintaining your circadian rhythm, which affects your sleep patterns, mood, and even your immune system. The pineal gland is unique because it is not separated from the blood-brain barrier, meaning it is more exposed to various substances in the bloodstream. This makes it more susceptible to calcification. Understanding the importance of the pineal gland and its functions can help us appreciate why it's vital to keep it healthy and free from calcification. Pineal gland calcification occurs when calcium deposits build up in the gland, leading to its reduced function. This calcification can be a significant issue as it impairs the gland's ability to produce melatonin and other crucial hormones. Symptoms of pineal gland calcification include sleep disturbances, mood swings, and decreased spiritual awareness. Over time, calcification can also contribute to more severe health problems, such as neurodegenerative diseases. One of the most concerning aspects of pineal gland calcification is that it often goes unnoticed until significant damage has occurred. Many people are unaware of the health of their pineal gland and only learn about calcification when they experience symptoms. Therefore, it's essential to take proactive steps to prevent calcification and ensure the pineal gland remains healthy. Several factors contribute to pineal gland calcification. One of the primary culprits is fluoride, a common additive in drinking water and dental products. Fluoride has been shown to accumulate in the pineal gland more than any other part of the body, leading to calcification over time. Additionally, a poor diet high in processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives can also contribute to the buildup of calcium deposits in the gland. Environmental toxins such as heavy metals and pollutants further exacerbate the problem. These toxins can enter the body through various means, including food, water, air, and personal care products. Once inside the body, they can accumulate in the pineal gland, leading to calcification and impaired function. Understanding these causes is the first step in taking action to prevent calcification and protect your pineal gland. Making dietary changes is one of the most effective ways to prevent pineal gland calcification. The foods you eat can either contribute to or help prevent calcification. By avoiding certain foods and incorporating others into your diet, you can support the health of your pineal gland. First, it's essential to avoid foods that contribute to calcification. These include processed foods, which are often high in artificial additives, preservatives, and sugars. These substances can lead to inflammation and the buildup of calcium deposits in the pineal gland. Additionally, it's crucial to limit your intake of fluoride by avoiding fluoridated water and dental products. On the other hand, there are several foods known for their detoxifying properties that can help support the health of your pineal gland. Organic fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that help reduce inflammation and support detoxification. Some particularly beneficial foods include garlic, lemon, watermelon, and turmeric. These foods help cleanse the body of toxins and support the pineal gland's function. Detoxifying the pineal gland is a vital step in preventing calcification and maintaining its health. There are several natural detox methods you can incorporate into your routine to support this process. One effective method is using apple cider vinegar. This natural remedy helps break down calcium deposits and supports overall detoxification. You can add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it daily. Raw cacao is another powerful detoxifier. It contains high levels of antioxidants and other nutrients that help cleanse the pineal gland. Incorporating raw cacao into your diet can be as simple as adding it to smoothies or enjoying it as a snack. Additionally, certain herbs and supplements can support the detoxification process. For example, chlorella and spirulina are both excellent for removing heavy metals and other toxins from the body. Taking these supplements regularly can help keep your pineal gland clean and functioning optimally. Hydration plays a crucial role in preventing pineal gland calcification. Drinking clean, fluoride-free water helps flush out toxins and supports overall health. It's essential to ensure that the water you drink is free from fluoride and other harmful substances. Using a high-quality water filter can help achieve this. In addition to drinking clean water, it's also beneficial to consume plenty of hydrating foods, such as fruits and vegetables. These foods contain high water content and provide essential nutrients that support detoxification and overall health. Natural light is vital for the health of your pineal gland. Exposure to sunlight helps regulate the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for your sleep-wake cycle. Spending time outdoors and incorporating natural light into your daily routine can support the function of your pineal gland. Aim to spend at least 15 to 20 minutes outside each day, preferably in the morning. This exposure to natural light helps reset your circadian rhythm and supports the production of melatonin. Additionally, try to reduce your exposure to artificial light, especially before bedtime, as it can interfere with melatonin production. Meditation is a powerful practice that can support the health of your pineal gland. Regular meditation helps reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance spiritual awareness. There are specific meditation techniques that can stimulate and support the pineal gland. One effective technique is focusing on the area between your eyebrows, often referred to as the third eye in spiritual practices. By concentrating on this area during meditation, you can help activate and support the function of your pineal gland. Additionally, incorporating deep breathing exercises and visualization techniques can further enhance the benefits of meditation. Reducing your exposure to environmental toxins is another crucial step in preventing pineal gland calcification. Many everyday products, such as household cleaners, personal care items, and even cookware, can contain harmful substances that contribute to calcification. Making simple swaps can significantly reduce your exposure to these toxins. For example, opt for natural and organic cleaning products, personal care items, and non-toxic cookware. Additionally, consider using air purifiers and plants that improve indoor air quality to reduce your exposure to airborne pollutants. Certain supplements can support the health of your pineal gland and help prevent calcification. Iodine is one such supplement. It helps reduce the buildup of fluoride in the gland and supports overall detoxification. You can incorporate iodine into your diet through foods like seaweed or by taking iodine supplements. Other beneficial supplements include chlorella and spirulina, which help remove heavy metals and other toxins from the body. Additionally, magnesium is essential for maintaining the health of the pineal gland and supporting overall detoxification. Taking these supplements regularly can help ensure your pineal gland remains healthy and free from calcification. We've explored various ways to prevent pineal gland calcification and maintain its health for optimal physical and spiritual benefits. From understanding the causes of calcification to making dietary changes and incorporating detox methods, there are several steps you can take to support the health of your pineal gland. Remember, your journey to enhanced spiritual awareness and overall well-being begins with the health of your pineal gland. By taking proactive steps to prevent calcification and support its function, you can unlock the full potential of this vital gland. Start today by making simple changes to your diet, hydration, and lifestyle, and watch as your physical and spiritual health improves. Your pineal gland is the gateway to your higher consciousness and spiritual enlightenment. Keep it healthy, and you'll experience the benefits in all areas of your life. Take action now and nurture this essential part of your brain for a healthier, more vibrant future.